So I have the ULANZI Tiny Mics for your smartphone, and they are really tiny. And they also sound really good for a dual wireless system under $50 US. There's a couple more really cool things to share with you, so let's get started.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. As you can tell, I'm also a little bit sick, but that's not going to stop me. I have so much gear to get to, so we have to power through this one. If you are new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, don't be a stranger. Click that subscribe button. Also, if you can click that like button, maybe you like ULANZI products, click that like button and YouTube will keep feeding you stuff like that. And I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easily. Okay, so here are the ULANZI Tiny Mic A30. And in the box, you get some stickers, you also get some other info, and you have the clamshell charging case for your mics and receiver. You also get a little travel bag, USB-C to lightning adapter for older iPhones. You get strong magnets for clipping through your shirt. You also get some extra black shells, and you also get some white shells in case someone was wearing something lighter colored or white and you didn't want the microphone to be super obvious. You can actually just put this one on and it'll look like it's a white microphone. But this whole set also does come in white or black as well. You also get a wind muff that covers the whole microphone, which is kind of fun. You also get a USB-C to 1/8" TRS cable for camera connection and a charging cable. Now, there's not much more to these microphones except they have a solid clip and also an SPL 110 dB max level mic with 48 kilohertz and 16-bit sampling rate. And when you look closer at that USB-C receiver, you have your USB-C connection for your phone or your computer. Yeah, if you plug this into your computer, it shows up as a source. It will not work directly with any of your action cameras or your Pocket 3. You have a headphone port so you can directly monitor. You have a USB-C port so you can still charge your phone through this. Since you are taking up that port for the microphone, it gives you that port back over on this side. You have a gain button that you can hold down to mute all mics, or you can press once to toggle through 3 different sound levels. You have low, medium, or high. So this is the high level. Next to that, you have 3 levels of noise cancellation. You have your low, medium, or high noise cancellation. So depending on your surroundings, if it's really loud, you can turn that on higher and higher and it will get rid of that background sound. And then you can hold that down to turn noise canceling off altogether. You can get a range from 100 to 165 feet depending on line of sight. And you can get 5 hours of use from these things. And with this one case, you can charge your devices 4 times over. So they're tiny, they're simple to use, and they sound pretty good, especially coming in under $50 US. And do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price, and if you want to learn more information. But that's it for today's video. I'm going to try to get better so my voice doesn't sound like this on the next one, but we'll see how we go. If you want to see some other cool ULANZI products, check out any of the ones that are on the screen right here. Yeah. Click one of those, and I'll see you there.